Natural resource damages were a fairly new and I think evolving principle in the law in 1989 and 1990 when the Exxon Valdez case was being litigated. They are not new and they continue to evolve, but the natural resource damages here are going to be enormous. And the numbers associated with Exxon Valdez were around $900 million. That was the number that Exxon agreed to pay. It was subject to reopeners. There were some reopeners that were invoked. And so that $900 million number probably grew to a number over $1 billion. And the NRD claims here, as I said, they're going to dwarf that amount. And there's a lot of, I think, interesting aspects to the NRD process that I know Alan Cantor and others are going to talk about later in the day today, and that is the assessment issue. A lot of folks have sort of, I think, pointed, perhaps not too sophisticatedly, that in the Gulf states where you have these in terms of baseline and assessment, there's a very industrial area. You already have hydrocarbons in the water. So what is your baseline going to be? It's obviously a far different situation from the pristine waters of Alaska where the Exxon Valdez ran aground. But I understand that baselines were actually done post-Katrina by several of the states, including Louisiana. So I think for purposes of NRD assessment, some of these states are going to be in a very good situation to be able to prove up extraordinary damages on the natural resource side.